Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to a video and also to Animal Company. We're doing a glitch today. How to get easy to the new Valentine's map and get these. Also these if you sell them, they're giving a lot of money. Also these are to eat, but I'm not gonna really eat them now.
No, they don't give.
No, don't worry. As y'all could see, not perfectly. They give like if you bought one of these bring already 10,000. No, not 10,000. Oh my god, 1,000 of these bling blings, whatever. And what are you doing?
I'm trying to look at the gun, so how they work. Before I shoot them. Okay, they explode like this.
Okay. So as I said, also thank you guys for the lot of likes and for the views. That made me super happy. So yeah, and also yes, because I said I'm doing a face reveal. Voice reveal. I'm tired. Because of that, I actually changed my mind and thinking, hey, at 100 subscribers, I'm not gonna do a voice reveal because I'm doing it right now, a face reveal. So your body just randomly lag like. What is that? Why does it like lag really like that? Okay, whatever. We're going there. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the glitch and stuff. Okay, what? Get out. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so
for the glitch,
you
need
gun.
to have
this teleport gun. Telegrenade, I guess.
A gun? That's a grenade.
Chill. Okay, come on. Now,
okay, so you do it around.
Now you gotta do
around
it
here, like you press it to the ground.
Yeah,
you
like
need to let it go
right
and then equip it again.
Like this, like it's just so it isn't in the ground.
God damn it!
Do it fast, like. You gotta do it until it's like in the ground, glitched.
Why is it not working now for me?
Oh, dang.
Okay, now is it not?
Okay,
Yes, it is. No.
You dropped it. No, you didn't. Okay.
I made it.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a new one. I just bought a new one. Just a second.
Okay, then you need to activate it and let it drop.
Yeah, we're gonna be
fall down though.
Okay, he's down there. You down there?
Yeah, I'm down here.
Okay. Why is this not work? Okay, wait.
Man, this glitch doesn't want to have you.
Who? Oh, no!
You don't move. Don't move a muscle. You cannot move a muscle.
Okay, muscle. Can I use my brain cells? Or what?
But you have no muscles. You are weak.
I said brain cells, you muscle.
What?
Okay.
You know I can just explode you with this thing.
Bro, you just gonna hit yourself. Okay, come on. No. Okay, this is kind of okay, and I'm done.
Wait, no. I can throw it up.
Yeah, you can do it. Okay, do it. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, this is.
Bro, are you doomed? Bro, take it.
Oh, there it is. I'm kind of. Yes. No. Dude,
just do it instantly. Just activate it and let it drop. Finally.
Oh, okay. You're gonna be here, and then
You threw me sandbox
that
near
little
the
thing,
entrance field.
just right here, perfectly. Don't fall off.
I'm by the entrance.
Yeah, chill. I'm here. Okay. What? He fell into already.
Oh, can you
Ooh, there you are. Where the hell are you?
Your teleport flew me to the entrance of forest.
Okay, then come back. For him.
Are you still down there?
Yeah, I'm here where we landed last time. Just gonna wait for him. In that time, I'm gonna sponsor Underdogs. I really don't have it right now because I didn't buy it. But my friend has it. Underdogs is a super game. It's awesome. It's like about you're like in a robot, and then there are other robot little dogs or whatever. You can spawn them. There's even well, it does cost money, but the sandbox version is free if you buy the normal version first. You can like grab them and then it's a very good game. I don't really have it, but my friend has it. And I'm gonna do a video on his medical quest.
I'm done for the map.
Or what? Okay, nice. Or yeah, I'm gonna do a video on his medical quest, then send it to me, and I'm gonna make a video out of it.
I'm stuck.
Okay, that was the end of the sponsor. What? I don't see you.
I don't know where I am, but please drop a hard thing here.
But you are in the new map, right?
I'm here, I'm down here, behind you, down here. Can you see me?
Oh, yeah, come here. Boom. Come up here.
Help!
Oh. Come here.
Throw me the horse that you have in your backpack. I can revive. I can have more HP with that. Oh my god! Give me that horse! Wait, now.
Yes.
When it rises down.
Okay.
Now. Give it to me. Fast.
Take it. Thank
No! Come on, get this.
Save my stuff. I'm coming back, okay?
Okay, I'm waiting there where you died.
Ingat. Sorry, guys.
I'm putting your pickaxe into the back.
Alright. Okay. That was it, first try. Okay. Let's see the map. This is big. Okay, come on. Holy shit. No. Okay. Where are you? I'm here.
I'm here. Here, take it.
Where's my...
It's in there, I said it on the mic. Okay, guys, so this is a glitch entrance. This gives a normal entrance to the mine. This is like the same thing as in the horror from Haunted Mansion,
Yeah.
but it doesn't flash you. It teleports you away. Okay, let's get up here.
I mean, those rocks cannot see us, but yeah, if pretty much one of those rocks die or something, then then you're gonna get ouch. About our little time stuff. Sorry, had a hiccup. Whatever it's called. Okay, come on.
Get on here.
Go.
Yeah. Come on, Jeremy. I don't know who Jeremy is, but when somebody approves Jeremy.
I don't have.
Oh no, he died.
Holy shit.
I think he killed him.
just gonna come to you. I'm gonna go to this pool and then go to you.
Where are you?
I'm at this pool. I'm coming to you.
Did you die?
No. Here! Up here!
I saw you. It's okay, you didn't.
Those things are here. I'm gonna try to go there. Okay.
These eyes are not good. Run!
Okay. I survived it.
Oh my god, there you are. Good. We're going that way. We're going that way. It's safer. It's safer. It's safer.
I need to collect these stuff
There don't
too.
have any ice, but watch out if you don't get sucked into the heart.
I gotta collect the stuff, these stuff too. I have it back.
Okay, let's go. Over here. Oh no. Okay, watch out, don't go into the
Wait a minute.
I'm going there. It's trying to stop you in. I'm getting ugly. Can go back normal way. Oh no, it's trying to get me to it. No! No, 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 no! Yeah, I made it on. Where are you
Here.
at? Can you keep your hand on the ground? Can you keep your hand on the ground so you not get sucked in? There, I'm here.
Okay.
Get rid of it.
No! I didn't have a grappler.
Oh god. Down here.
It's like I'm Spider-Man. Okay.
No. Oh, my head.
I need a way.
Lava.
Let's go somewhere.
Oh, lava. Here, down here. Get down.
Where are you?
Climb up.
No.
Okay.
You survived.
Now, fast.
Okay.
No, fast before the lava comes. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh. Okay, this way. Okay, up here.
You gotta go there.
We made it. Oh, heck no. I really need to. We have to pass. Oh no. The targeted us.
You didn't.
Right here.
Sure. No.
Where you at?
Here.
Here you go.
Fuck.
Oh no, it's the other one. I'm not here.
Where?
I'm right here. Here, look on your
I see you, I see you,
on
I see you.
the thing, then you can spot me. Here. Oh no, guys, behind us here. Oh no. Down here, jump. Okay, let me get these bags.
Physics. Oh,
Now you're coming to them.
I can't go there.
we're going away. We're going away. This is too much. We're going. Oh God. This way. This way. Oh no. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh yes. Have fun. Okay, get into the heart.
Take me with you.
Ah!
Dang. Okay.
Ah!
I couldn't take any stuff. Okay, come on.
I got many things.
Oh my God.
Wait a second. Let your viewers show it how it
Okay,
works.
okay.
Like it gives you many HP. But don't eat it yet. Don't eat it yet. I'm gonna damage
Okay.
you.
Then you're gonna damage me, and then I'm gonna heal.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna heal myself, and then I'm gonna eat it, and then we're gonna compare the damages from before and after.
Okay. So eat it. Cause now, when you eat it now, you're almost unstoppable with this. Yo, say, come on, 6,000. Oh, okay. Eat it, and I will push you, but you're regenerating so fast that you won't take any damage.
Hey, you almost killed me, bro.
What?
I don't even know if this is good. He like if you're like this low, then it's gonna like then you can eat it and you're already full. That's what it does actually. I'm gonna go in the safe zone before you kill me.
But I got damage instantly, and it all generated instantly.
Yeah, pretty much if I get damaged and then I eat it, I get healed instantly fully. And it makes me feel
And it's taking a while, and when it heals, like when it's in the peak mode, it will regenerate all the time.
Whew.
So I could just punch him again until it's over, and he wouldn't die.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, guys, I think that was pretty much it. But before that, I want to tell y'all something. If y'all want to meet me up and go to my private server, fan code, I'm gonna tell y'all when I will be online. It can be today or tomorrow with my friend if he has time. Oh wait, no, I forgot. Tomorrow he is at my house. Dang. Oh.
Yes. Hey, follow
Wait.
me.
We're gonna be at today at 18 till 19:20 till I don't know 22.
Come here, George. Come here, George. Look. Come. Stand right. Stand still. Don't pick it up. Hey, bro, got killed Portland. Where are you scared of?
You were trying to kill me, bro.
No, it cannot kill people. Come here.
Bro, you just didn't damage to
Come
me,
here,
bro. Literally.
Okay, when I will kill you, I'm gonna give you all your stuff back.
The what?
I'm gonna give you all your stuff back, so don't be. And one time dying is not that bad. Come
Fine,
here.
but you're gonna give
Let
me
me show you
actually
something.
everything back.
Yeah, when you die. Oh, it didn't work. Like when you do this, you're like flowing away 10,000 miles.
Well, if I pick it up or what?
No. When it's near you, I don't think. Get it. Come here. Oh my.
Oh, I was like, you can't see my hands, of course, I forgot. But I was flying like this.
Here.
Okay. Chill. I mean, I could use it, or I can just use. I'm not gonna get the game. Chill.
Ow, you damaged me.
You're in a safe
Ow, you
zone.
damaged me.
Oh wait, I forgot.
I have red rod. Ow. But when Red Watch does damage. When you say something, you're not safe.
Zone, like,
Yes, but I have Red Watch. Red Watch means you get damage in safe zone. Still.
hey, why'd you take it? I can take this as a flashlight too. I mean,
Okay. I think that's for the video. Bye, I guess.
yeah, that's for the video, and cause I gotta study, bro. This is a message for you too. I gotta go study right now, anyways, cause we're doing a math test. So, anyways, bye guys, and thanks for watching. I hope I'm gonna get follows and more views. We'll see, and so bye guys, and also this is gonna be a look. Please, let's get 100 or less than 100 likes.
What did you say?
Yeah, this is like a little wish thingy.
What did you say? What did you just say?
Something. It's like a wish, you know, those thingies where you speak and it's gonna be shooting star.
Should
Yeah,
I say
no,
a
not
good
shooting
old
star, but,
rhyme?
I mean, it's gonna have
Say
shooting
rhyme?
star. Okay, so that's for the video. Bye guys.